Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today this will be a quick video. So yeah, I got Knight Lance, Beyblade X, 360 low flat. Just got this today, and also got another Hover Wyvern. Yeah, two of my decks I made, so this is the first one. And I have Kick, so I decided to get another one. Got this one today, same time as that one. Other ones is this is my main deck. And my side deck with a low flat. Low rush. But yeah, let's get into this. Okay, sorry about that. Had to get it. And here's the parts. But yeah, this is my main launcher. I do need to get a grip for my left launcher, but yeah. I'm really surprised I found this guy. Hold up. So yeah, here it is. Gorgeous yellow. Here's the QR code. And a yellow, like the yellow words color scheme. So yeah, let me put this together. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah, and goodbye.